Hello and welcome back to the channel. Right, what I've got today is I got a birthday present from the wife. Right, at the moment I've been using this, the Insta360 GO 3S. It's been fantastic, really small, lightweight. It's got your flip up the back so you can see it's reversed. See, there's it reversed. So it's been a brilliant camera. But the only downside with it, the two things. One, the battery is starting to go down pretty rapidly. Now it's only lasting like maximum of 28-30 minutes, which after a year is not so good. And the other thing is the mic. The built-in mic picks up everything, the breathing. So with this one I can use the mic that I'm using to do this recording, because it's another DJI. Okay, so let's open it up. How do we get this open? Oh, a little tab. Oh, how satisfying is that? Is it just that one? Yep, I think so. Yep, there we go. Right. Which I have no idea what's in here. Okay. Just goes in wrong. Alright, that's just that's it, that's all that's in there. Right, I've got the app store thing. Nice little sticker. This must be the camera. This is obviously the base of the camera, I think, or the camera. There we go. It's obviously the monitor part. Here we go. Nice. Okay. I don't know how to use this yet or anything about it, so I'm not going to be doing a video on any of that because I don't know anything about that. I've got to play around with it first to start understanding how it works. There's the camera. Okay, and from what I gather, this clips on. Not sure which way around. There we go. I can clip on both ways, I think. Yeah, just got to push the. Oh, it's telling me got battery in it. Okay, how cool is that? Okay, nice on both sides, right? Okay, now this box we got. Little booklet on it, quick start guide. Okay, what have we got here? We have there's my dog tiptoeing around. This looks like the baseball cap mount. So that will just, yeah, look at that. How cool is that? It clips on pretty good. And it swivels. That's good. What else have we got? We have. My dog seems to think it's a treat because of the noise. I don't know what that is. I mean, I can see this goes on here. Maybe some sort of protective cover or something. Yeah, probably protective cover. Yeah. So, then what we've got here is, magnetic. Oh, blimey, That's quite some stickiness there. So we've got that. And what else have we got? Dog's realised he's not got no treats. Then we have a sucker. Oh, actually it's stuck on better than I thought. That's it. Okay, and this will click onto that. So it can be like a windscreen mount. Stick on any surface. Obviously it's not magnetic, because this is magnetic. And then you've got your charger cable, which is actually quite chunky. Quite a good cable, that one. But yeah, so that's it. So hopefully my new videos, they're on backlog, so it will transition through to the next videos. But yeah, so it's a little bit bigger. It's not a little bit bigger, it's quite bigger. I did like this being a bit more discreet, but I do like the rectangle finish. The new Insta's square, which I didn't quite like the look of that. It looks a bit obtrusive, where this is a bit more discreet. Even though I asked permission first, this one just, I think it's not in your face, where this one's not in your face at all. It's so small. So I've taken off the fluffy stuff that was on the front there. But yeah, and then it should link up to, I'll take the microphone I'm using. That. So it should sound pretty cool. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you on the next lock job. Thanks for watching.